Hi, it's Silly. Welcome back to my channel. What are we doing today? In my last video, we took a walking tour going northbound on the main street, port side, showcasing the east side of the street. So in today's video, we're going to do the same street, but we're going to come from the Fives back down to the square. So we're going to do a southbound walking tour of Javier Rojo Gomez Street. So come on, let's go. Okay, so crossing the street from the Fives, we're going to see some beautiful residences and rentals. This part of the street is pretty much all residential until you get a little further south. The streets are lined with beautiful flowers and trees, and the woodwork on some of the doors is so ornate and intricate. I was blown away by the craftsmanship here. Just wow. There are many rentals available here on the port side of Puerto Morelos, but you can expect to pay higher prices down here due to the close proximity to the beach. There are more economical choices up in the Colonia, and you're still just a 10-minute ride to the beach. You can get there by taxi, by colectivo, by bike, or on foot if you're so inclined. It's just beautiful up at this end of the street. And his art is both beautiful and entertaining as you walk along the streets. And look at these blooms. Oh, just gorgeous. It's a really nice walk along this street. Here is Casa Caribe, which offers both rooms and cabanas. Lovely property. And here we find Bolo Tours, which offers tours for fishing, snorkeling, and more. And just around the corner, I found this beautiful, colorful wall art. Amazing artist. Wow. Continuing south, there are a few empty lots, and you can see the building going on there in the distance. It's just a matter of time until these are developed, I would imagine. More beautiful doors. The DIF, Desarrollo Integral de la Familia, is located here, and it's a government agency that works to provide quality of life to families who need it, and includes recreational activities for seniors and providing groceries and medications and mental health services to families in need. They also offer meal programs for children, teen pregnancy, and child labor supports. Next up, we have a little flea market shop, and then some more construction. Yum Yum Walk is a new restaurant in town, and the reviews have been excellent. The I Want a Pizza, which has just recently reopened for the season, and it's a very popular restaurant. Next up is La Rose Restaurant, Bar, and Music Hall, and they offer great food and live entertainment. You might want to check their current schedule due to the COVID restrictions currently in Puerto Morelos. But what a cool looking venue. And next door, you can get a massage.
Next up is Lighthouse Tours and the photo opportunity Spider-Man. Lighthouse Tours is a full-service tour and information center. Real estate and FedEx offices. Next up is Doragon, which is a sushi place. Great reviews on this restaurant. And just around the corner is Blue Restaurant. Now we're heading into the southbound start of the construction where the street is close to vehicular traffic. Oh, no bathroom, by the way. Another real estate office. Cute facade. And next we have Tanino's, which is another very popular eatery. I'm not sure what's behind these doors. I was here quite early in the afternoon and many places don't open until dinner time. Not sure what these were. And another real estate shop. Oh, there's a really cute little Mayan eatery here. And here's a very common means of delivery service here in Puerto Morelos. Don Mezcal is next. And the ice cream shop. This is the third one of the same shop that I've seen just walking around the downtown area here. Next up is Burger Underground. In my opinion, the best burger portside. This is a new location for them and they are delicious. Next, Casa Campanario. wood-fired pizza here. We've got the Casa de Moro souvenir shop here as well on the bottom, and then up above we have Hotel El Moro. Peninsula, another new restaurant with great reviews. A Crepe Street Sweetery. The Coatli Artisan Shop. Lovely native creations and henna tattoos. T-shirts and hats. Then we're back to the second tacos.com location. My Little Italy, delicious restaurant. Then we're back down to the square where the museum is being constructed. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. I apologize if I've missed mentioning any businesses along here. And don't forget to subscribe for more information and adventures in Puerto Morelos. Thanks for watching.